Selamat pagi. Pagi. Selamat pagi.
Pagi.
Pagi. Pagi Berlian. Pagi Firly. Kok dasinya nggak dipakai?
Maaf Bu, lupa. Saya bawa kok.
Dipakai ya, lain kali dari rumah supaya rapi.
Baik Bu.
Halo Excel. Good morning students. Good morning, Miss. How is everything? Good. How about you? I am very well, thank you.
Before starting our activities, we have to pray. Friends, let's pray together. Finish.
Okay, I will check your attendance first. Who's absent today?
No one, Miss.
Alright. Today we are going to learn about recount text.
Recount text merupakan jenis teks yang berfungsi untuk menceritakan kembali kejadian atau pengalaman yang terjadi di masa lalu. Teks ini bertujuan untuk memberikan informasi atau menghibur pembaca. Dalam menentukan topik, guru mengarahkan peserta didik agar mengetahui tujuan dari pembelajaran dengan memberikan stimulus berupa video kartun.
Here I will play 2 videos for you. Let's watch. So, I want to ask you students, what are the similarities and the differences between those videos?
Miss, the first and the second videos are about holiday, Miss.
Miss, they go with their family.
Alright, Mario and Chut have answered about the similarities. Now, how about the differences?
Miss, I think the first video is not Indonesia. Where is it, Miss?
Yes, you are right, Jonathan. The first video is about someone's holiday in America. Did you see there was much rubbish in the second video, Holiday in Indonesia?
Miss, I saw it. It is bad.
Alright, in your opinion, what will be the effect of littering in our recreation place?
It will be flooded.
The place will be dirty, Miss.
Yes, we have to keep our recreation place and environment clean so it stays beautiful and we can enjoy it every time. Okay, now, based on our discussion, what is the topic that we are talking about?
I think it is something about holiday, Miss.
You're right. Today we are going to learn and discuss about holiday and learn how to tell our experiences.
Dalam kegiatan prakomunikatif, Guru membuat peserta didik memahami fokus kebahasaan text recount. Selain kegiatan tersebut, kegiatan lain yang dapat masuk dalam tahap prakomunikatif adalah memperkenalkan kosakata yang diperlukan peserta didik untuk mengerjakan proyek.
Class, where did you go to spend your last semester holiday?
I went to Rumah Hobbit, Miss.
Could you please tell us about your holiday to Rumah Hobbit?
It was on Tuesday. My family and I went to Rumah Hobbit by bus. Very interesting. So many spots for photo shoot.
Okay, thank you, Alice. Now, let's look at the screen. There is a story about someone's holiday. Read it and discuss it with your group.
Pada tahap ini, guru memberikan contoh text recount untuk dianalisis bersama, sehingga siswa dapat memahami fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan dari text recount.
Now, let's discuss it. From group 1, tell us about definition of recount text, please.
About experience, Miss.
Is it the writer's own experience or from the others?
The writer.
How do you know it is from writer's own experience?
Because they use I in the story, like I went to Thailand, we got a taxi.
Perfect, Ersa. Recount text is about someone's experience. In your opinion, why did the writers tell us about their experiences?
So we know about their holiday activities, Miss.
Group 2, please tell us what kind of tenses that is used in the text.
I think past, Miss. Simple past.
Group 5, do you agree with group 2?
Agree, Miss.
How do you know it is used simple past tense?
Use verb to, Miss.
Okay, can you mention the examples of verb to in the text?
Took me, arrived, collected, gave, and many more.
Alright, recount text has its generic structure. First, orientation. Second, sequence of events. And the third is reorientation. Orientation is the introduction of the text. You will know the name and also the place of the story. Second is sequence of events. You will know the sequence of activities that the writers do. And the last is reorientation, which is the conclusion of the text, of the story, and also include the comments from the writers. Pupils, which one is the orientation of the text?
In paragraph 1 means the writer introduces himself and also tell us the time of story.
Okay, now, which sentences indicates the sequence of events?
Miss, there are sequence of events in paragraph 1, 2, and 3 from landed at Thailand until they drove to the airport.
Good, Nina. Now, which one indicates the reorientation?
My father and I were exhausted, but I was so happy.
Alright, thank you.
Di akhir kegiatan prakomunikatif, peserta didik telah memahami fungsi sosial, unsur kebahasaan, dan struktur text recount.
Tahu artinya making bed adalah menata tempat tidur, di mana pertama making bed itu adalah kalau memang kita mau awal making bed, kita memulai dari tahap awal yaitu namanya stripping bed. Stripping bed itu adalah untuk mengangkat sheet kotor yang habis terpakai oleh tamu dan langsung diketempatkan ke namanya linen hamper. Bagus, tepuk tangan buat saudari Soba.
Pada tahap berikutnya, guru memberikan pertanyaan berorientasi HOTS terkait topik yang baru dijawab siswa melalui sebuah proyek.
Class, where did you go to spend your last semester holiday?
I went to some malls in Jakarta, Miss.
Alright, what did you do there?
I tried some tasty foods and also booked cool jeans.
In your opinion, is there a benefit from your activities?
I don't know, Miss.
So, any other activities that we can do during our holiday, something beneficial?
Miss, last semester I joined a photography community, visit museum in Jakarta, and took some picture of it. Is it beneficial?
Did you get a new knowledge from it?
Yes, type of shoot and genre of photography.
Alright, I want to ask Tegar, is it a beneficial activity?
I think so. Now, Andika knows type of shot and genre of photography. It should beneficial activity.
Exactly, that's what I mean. Alright, what do you think if we share about our beneficial activities that we did during our holiday?
It is inspiring, Miss.
I agree with Kimi. It is important for other people to know holiday activities option.
It can make our holiday more interesting, Miss.
If you agree to share it, what do you want to do for presenting and conveying our beneficial activities? Which one is more effective, to present it in a cartoon or a comic form?
I prefer cartoon than comic, Miss.
Agree, Miss. I want to try it making cartoon.
Alright, how about the others? Do you agree?
Agree, Miss.
But we still don't know how to make cartoon, Miss.
I suggest you to use Powtoon app. You can make a cartoon video by using this application. It is also very easy to use.
How do we use Powtoon, Miss?
No need to worry. I will show you every single step how to use it.
Okay, Miss.
Pada kegiatan mendesain perencanaan proyek, guru mengarahkan peserta didik secara berkelompok, menentukan jenis proyek, aktivitas yang akan dilakukan, dan menuliskan hasil diskusi anggota kelompok ke dalam tabel yang disediakan.
Since our next project is about cartoonize your great holiday, so the first thing to do is
Make the text, Miss.
yes, we have to write the personal experience. But where will we get the story?
Maybe we can interview a group member, Miss.
Great idea. And then what is the next step?
Make the cartoon, Miss.
Then who's going to report group's activities?
Secretary.
Alright. The most important things are, first you have to contribute to the project, and second you have to work as your job. Here I show you the job description, the job title, and its description. You can discuss it with your group and also choose the person who can handle the job.
Guru memberi kebebasan kepada anggota kelompok untuk menentukan pembagian tugas dan mengarahkan peserta didik agar bekerja sesuai tugas masing-masing.
Leader, secretary, and members. Alright, now let's look at the screen. This is your scoring rubric. This is the scoring criteria for your project. Now, let's look at the screen. There are some aspects that will be scored. Oh, one more. I will also give the score for your behavior during this project. This one. What do you think? Anyone wants to give me some advices?
Guru menyediakan borang kriteria penilaian untuk disepakati bersama, sehingga peserta didik mengetahui aspek yang akan dinilai dalam proyek.
Behavior is important, Miss.
Script is also important. I agree, Miss.
Alright, so all of us agree with the scoring criteria, right?
Agree, Miss.
Here are the steps of using Powtoon. Okay, you can read it first. Choose blank Powtoon, and then next, choose cartoon option. Start to edit your Powtoon, choose background character, and insert the text. And the last is how to save your unfinished cartoon. Click save on the upper right. And if you want to upload it into YouTube, click preview and export. Okay.
So, we don't need to download the application?
Yes, you just need to access it from your web browser.
Pada tahap pembelajaran ini, guru dan peserta didik bersama-sama menyepakati jadwal pelaksanaan proyek. Kegiatan ini bertujuan untuk melatih peserta didik agar memiliki manajemen diri dan waktu.
By the way, we have one more meeting. We should make an appointment for our next meeting. At what stage will your project be?
I think we from group 5 can finish the interview result and also edit the cartoon little bit, Miss.
Guru menyediakan borang kegiatan pelaksanaan proyek yang akan diisi oleh peserta didik berdasarkan hasil diskusi kelompok.
Alright, make sure you will get good score by contributing well to the project.
Sorry sir, Mr. Wilson is not staying in the room right now. What you leave your message?
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Grand Semansiat MSCU.
I would like to check in.
Your name, sir?
Mr. Wilson White.
Alright, sir. Would you please fill in this registration form and sign at the bottom?
Alright.
Please. Thank you for staying with us. Have a pleasant time.
Alright, thank you for your assessment. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Pada tahap pelaksanaan proyek, guru memonitor pekerjaan peserta didik, memberikan arahan, dan membantu peserta didik yang mengalami kesulitan jika diperlukan.
So students, please continue your cartoon project. Andika, how about your group? Are the members follow your instruction?
Everything is fine, Miss.
Alright. Class, keep on paying attention on your script. Remember about the generic structure, language feature, and also social function of the recount text. Well, now, Secretary of Group 5, please report your activities table and also your video script to me.
We already met 3 times, Miss. First until third meeting in my house. After that, Andika house. We interview our group members about beneficial holiday. Choose the best one and write the script. This is our script, Miss.
Alright, so whose holiday is the story about?
It's Andika, Miss.
Andika, okay. Did you find any difficulties to edit the cartoon?
Yes, sometimes the internet connection was bad, Miss.
So how was your group handle it?
We went to Warnet, Miss, and continue our cartoon there.
Alright, great. Thank you, Vita.
Yes.
Pada tahap pembelajaran ini, guru melakukan penilaian secara formatif untuk mengukur ketercapaian kompetensi dengan cara meminta peserta didik mempresentasikan hasil proyeknya menggunakan bahasa sasaran.
Alright students, today is the deadline for our project. I hope all of you already finished your project. And if you finish your project, please upload your cartoon to YouTube and send the link to my WhatsApp.
Watch it, Miss?
Yes, of course. That's why I asked you to send your video link to my WhatsApp. I will share it to your friends and also to teachers' WhatsApp group so they can watch your video. Click the thumb up icon if they like it and also give the comments for your video. So, who will be the first group to present the cartoon?
Our group, Miss.
Yes, please.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
Today, our group would like to present our cartoon with the title New Friends, New Knowledge. The story is belong to Andika. I'm sure that all of you are very curious. So, enjoy watching.
2. Please respect your friends. They want to tell us their story. Maybe you will be inspired.
Pada tahap ini, guru melakukan penilaian untuk proyek yang telah dikerjakan oleh siswa.
So, any questions or responses for this group? So, I will the first then. Andika, how did you get the information about photography community?
I got it from social media like Facebook fan page or Instagram.
It is for free, Andika?
Yes, free. Just tell me if you want to join.
Thanks a lot, Dika.
Yeah.
Thanks for your attention. Good morning.
Good morning. Alright, give applause for group 4.
Pada tahapan mengevaluasi hasil proyek dan kegiatan pembelajaran, guru memberikan saran terhadap hasil proyek, melakukan refleksi kegiatan pembelajaran, dan memberikan kesempatan kepada peserta didik untuk mengungkapkan pengalamannya selama mengerjakan proyek.
First of all, I want to appreciate you. All of you have done the project well, but I saw some inconsistent verb, but it's okay. Your creativity is very great. Your cartoon is very colorful. Now, anyone wants to share your experience during this project?
We are worried we won't finish it on time, Miss. I met WhatsApp group and we share about the problem in the group. We discuss about the project until 2 a.m.
We had trouble about the laptop, Miss. Sometimes it was error.
I see. Your laptop seems to struggle in running the program, right? Okay. Do you learn a lot from this project?
I learned about teamwork, Miss.
I know to write in context, Miss.
Alright. I will share your link that you have sent to me, and then be ready for the likes and comments that you will get.
Demikian pembelajaran personal recount text yang menggunakan model pembelajaran berbasis proyek dengan tema Cartoonize Your Great Holiday. Melalui pembelajaran berbasis proyek, peserta didik difasilitasi untuk berpartisipasi aktif dalam proses pembelajaran melalui pengaplikasian pengetahuan yang dimilikinya. Sehingga, di akhir pembelajaran, peserta didik mampu memproduksi personal recount text secara mandiri dalam bentuk kartun yang menarik. Selama pembelajaran, peserta didik dilatih untuk mampu menciptakan sesuatu yang baru secara mandiri, berdasarkan pengetahuan dan keterampilan yang diperolehnya selama pembelajaran. Selain itu, pembelajaran ini juga mampu meningkatkan kreativitas dan kolaborasi peserta didik secara efektif.